Hello friends, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to today's video, which is a fall home tour for 2025. I thought we'd start right here on the porch, as it's the first thing that you see when you pull up to my home. I've made a few small changes, swapping out the wreath on our office window with the one that I had previously hung in our bedroom. It's a simple touch, but it really helps to set the tone for the cozy fall feeling I love. I'm so happy to have you here, so let's head on inside. Right off the entryway is our dining room, and you might remember this space had a big makeover not too long ago. I am still so in love with the dramatic paint color that we chose, and I really haven't changed much in here since I decorated it for fall. The one new addition is the candle warmer I found on Amazon. It's a game changer, and I love it. It gives the softest glow without having to burn the candles. If you missed the full makeover or want to see more of the past fall decorating ideas, be sure to check out my fall playlist. I'll leave a link for it in the description box below. Now from the dining room, we're going to move right into my kitchen. Not much has changed in here, but I did tuck in a few pumpkins for that simple autumn touch. My coffee station for fall this year is really one of my favorites I have done, and I still love this wreath. It was really the jumping off point for most of my decor in my home this year. I just love the colors of this wreath. My newest find is the brass pumpkin basket from Michael's that you'll see later on, and I love how it instantly adds a bit of fall charm. I added in some oranges, which kind of give the illusion of little mini pumpkins, but you'll have to let me know what you think. case you missed my kitchen decorate with me video for fall, I will be sure to leave a link to that as well so you can go check it out. But these recipes are actually handwritten recipes from both my mother and my mother-in-law. And they are two very special recipes, one for my husband and one for me. So I thought it would be a nice little touch to have them proudly displayed on this simple cutting board. I really love adding in these personal touches into all my seasonal decor. It just brings back those memories of family and traditions long past. And I like to keep those going for my own kids and my own grandchildren now. This gorgeous orange pumpkin table is more of a table scarf than a runner. Was a happy surprise and find from HomeSense this year. I am really hoping they have something similar for Christmas time, so I've got to keep my eyes out for something like that, but I absolutely love this little table runner. Next up is the living room, which is right off of my kitchen. No big changes here either, other than a little bit of a refreshed look on the TV console. I love the way this room feels. It still feels warm and cozy and perfect for fall evenings. And the hallway table is the same as well. But sometimes keeping it simple is the best way to enjoy the space, not overcomplicating things. If you love it, then why change it? The only other change I made was to the fireplace. I added these pumpkin colored candles, swapping out the white ones that I had there previously. But other than that, I think that was the only changes, and we still love the way this room feels. Still on the hunt for a piece of wall art to go over our new sofa here. I just have not found anything that speaks to me and says, bring me home. So we're still on the lookout, but I'm in no rush. I don't want to rush it. I don't want to rush a decision and then end up not liking it. So it is what it is. The wall does look bare, but we can live with it for now. upstairs to our master bedroom, which is really where you will see the biggest transformation this season. I switched it up quite a bit from my master bedroom fall decorate with me video. I added a new wreath above the bed, which is from Amazon, and I love it. I switched out the blanket at the end of our bed, and I completely moved around the floral vignettes and added some trays and risers. And I love the way it feels now. It feels fresh, inviting, and really ready and cozy for fall. But you'll have to let me know what you think. If you saw my master bedroom video, go back, check it out so you can see what these vignettes looked like before and where they were and what the wreath looked like previously. We love these changes, especially the wreath above the bed. Thank you so much for joining me on this year's fall home tour. I hope you found a little inspiration and a few cozy ideas to bring into your own home this season. If you'd like even more fall decorating inspiration, don't forget to check out my fall playlist. I'll make sure to have it linked for you in the description box below. I'm wishing you a beautiful and cozy fall, my friends.